Did you know a man once spent 4 days crawling through enemy jungle without making a single sound? His name was Carlos Hathcock, a Marine sniper in Vietnam. And what he did in 1969 is almost impossible to believe. A North Vietnamese general was operating deep inside enemy territory, heavily guarded, surrounded by soldiers on all sides. Getting close seemed impossible. Hathcock decided to crawl to him. 1,500 meters through dense jungle, 4 days, no sleep, barely any water, moving only inches at a time. Enemy soldiers walked past him. Some stepped directly over his body. He didn't flinch, didn't breathe hard, didn't blink at the wrong moment. One sound, one twitch, he was dead. He reached his position, took the shot, and spent another 3 days crawling back out. When they finally asked him how he survived it, he said his mind went somewhere else entirely, somewhere quiet. That's what makes this story so disturbing. It wasn't just endurance. Something in him was built different, and he knew it.